of the hips. Dynamic lunge, long step back. Turning the front knee out. The hips and the shoulders stay square, bending 90 degrees through the legs. So try to turn the thumbs to the back as we mobilize through the shoulders. Squat rotation, squat down, rotate. So it's on or off the beat, 90 degrees into the legs, and then use the obliques to rotate at the top of the move. Setting up good rotational control. Squat burpees. Hey, squat down, jump back, brace the abs into the plank, jump and stand up. So we're using the squat to transition it out of the plank. All right, faster, let's go. Bringing the hands under the shoulders, connecting the lower body to the upper body, activating the core, the lats, the shoulders. All right, last one. Barbells on the back. Okay, feet outside the hips, mid-stance.
So butt goes down and back, chest stays lifted, butt stops at 90 degrees, all right? Knees press out wide. We're here for 30 seconds. This is our strength power phase. As soon as you hear the bell, we're gonna lose the bar, we're gonna pick up the plate. We got squat, press, jack the feet. On the bell.
Let's go, Karan.
All right, here we go, lose the bar. Plates to collarbones, jack the feet in and out as you press. So when the feet are wide, the plates to the collarbones, and when you press the plate up, elbows are forward of the face and the core's braced really tight. 20 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Time, 10 seconds. All right, so we're gonna do that again. Bend your knees, pick up your bars, please.
4,
Meaty part of the back, 30 seconds.
1.
Let's go. Squat, heel raise. So now that we know how to do the moves, this is the optimal time to get the training effect. We've just come off the back of Ben's accelerated warm-up. This is the time to get the heart rate up. Okay, so we can do that by exploding out of the bottom range using our athletic chain. Calves, glutes, hammies, yep.
Push out. Push up on the knees or on the toes. Chest down to elbow height. The back stays flat. Now we're knocking on the door of intensity, so when Karan opens it up, we are good to go.
Well done.
Yeah, man.
Incredible. We're super warm now. So we got track 2. We got...
All right, team, it's go time. Bend the knees, bars down, burpee jumps. Into land. Okay, now we're starting to pick up the intensity. We're starting to pick up the heart rate, getting into the workout. Let's add a push out. Push up on the knees or on the toes. Chest down to elbow height. The back stays flat. Now we're knocking on the door of intensity, so when Karan opens it up, we are good.
6 reps, you repeat it continuously for 1 minute.
Yeah!
Are you feeling
and
this?
we're starting to feel this one already, guys.
All right. So this is what it should feel like. As you clean the bar up, you should feel it in your front and rear delts, all right? And then as you brace your core to step back, you should feel your cross slings working real hard to stabilize you. And then when you loose the bar, you should feel it back into the lunge. So we take a long stride backwards. Our chest is lifted and we're bracing our core real hard, all right? And then we reset. Once you've done 6 of those, body weight training. So load and explode. Knees drop straight down towards the floor, and same thing. Front knee presses out. All of this is lifted and on. Once you've done 6 reps, you repeat it continuously for 1 minute.
Yeah!
Are you feeling
and
this?
we're starting to feel this one already, guys.
All right. So this is what it should feel like. As you clean the bar up, you should feel it in your front and rear delts, all right? And then as you brace your core to step back, you should feel your cross slings working real hard to stabilize you. And then when you loose the bar...
Take off. We're focusing on athletic movement through repetition.
1.
Last one. Last one. Short burst of energy.
Let's go, Ben!
Now just focus on this move. As much energy as we can dial into the clean and press. It's that vertical force, that force transfer down into the heels, with a pure drive out of the legs. Now put all the focus into the lunges. Driving down, resisting.
1.
Recover. Same again, same move. 20 seconds. Accelerate versus decelerate.
4, 3,
Take the feet wide.
2,
Let's go. Now drive out of the heels. Generate that upward acceleration. Then tense through the core, the shoulders, and the lats as we resist the plates on the way down. Total control.
3,
Now generate upward force, momentum through the high pull triple extension, then reverse the force by dropping quickly under the bar. Drive, drop, drive and drop. Okay, every athlete needs this type of movement in order to perform at high velocity and speeds. Imagine a sprinter running straight, change of direction fast. And the lunges, the weights, act as that downward force. Drive through the legs, tense through the core, and resist the plates from touching the ground, enhancing our single leg power and control. It's like catching a high ball. Drive off one leg, catch the ball, and imagine your opponent is pulling you down. Break through that resistance.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Things work the muscles in the back. The lunges work the powerful muscles in the legs.
3, 2, 1.
Recover. Great man.
Seconds. Finish what you started. All right, we're creating good habits. Good habits become routine. It becomes part of our life. We get fitter, we get healthier, and we feel
3,
real
2,
good.
1.
With? Are you coming with? 20 seconds. Finish what you started. All right, we're creating good habits. Good habits become routine. It becomes part of our life. We get fitter, we get healthier, and we feel
3,
real
2,
good.
1.
Great stuff, guys. Great stuff, Karan.
बुरी तरह से थक चुके हैं। एक 30 मिनट का बॉडी पंप करने के बाद हमारी हालत खराब हो चुकी है। पैर उठ नहीं रहे। So guys, we are on a village run. You can see daily laborers. It's a green over here. Our starting as well as ending point. So guys, this is speedometer 2.86 kilometer in 19 minutes.